the rain, huh? Whew. Lots of rain, rain, rain. That's the car later. Let's go. No, let's be quiet. Quiet now. Okay. Here we go. Okay, got it? Okay. Okay, go ahead.
These are the elevators at the Rice Building, University of Nebraska-Lincoln. Information campus. Guess what kind this is? That's right, Schindler 33. Oh yeah. Federal system. Is this one? Actually, with hamradioham here. Reader 3.
Yeah, I'm on a video.
Door code does not work for Schindlers. Terad was in the motor.
Cool. Capacity 4,500 pounds. Yes.
Sun squeak.
Yeah. And another one. Okay.
Another one.
Another one. Door close.
Door code does not work for Schindlers.
No. There's your tent rad.
Basic Schindler. It's a nice cab, but
Stainless steel. Stainless steel.
fix your fixtures. HT van assistant.
Mm-hmm.
There's your phone right there.
Mm-hmm.
Terad.
Mm-hmm. That's a construction company that helped put it together. Okay. Like that. Mm-hmm.
There's your.
Mm-hmm. Door
Now it's in the up. Now you get the other one.
Okay. Okay. Does that one close?
Let's get this one.
Okay.
See here about one.
Okay, try it.
There goes that motor.
Yep, that's the elevator machine room.
This one has a single speed.
Mm-hmm. This one's a little bit smaller, isn't it?
Oh, that's sick.
Mm-hmm.
Disgusting.
The capacity is 3,500
That's disgusting.
compared to 4,500.
That's disgusting.
Okay, Jeffrey.
What's disgusting?
That's disgusting with the up arrow and down arrow.
What, the sound?
The up and down bell arrow.
Oh, okay. That's different, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Here are 3.
Mm-hmm.
1. Ugh, disgusting.
What?
Yuck.
For the sound?
Yeah.
It's okay.
So nice. So this is like similar to the other one.
Mm-hmm. Nice stainless steel one.
These are your fixtures.
Mhm.
Again, HT. Phone up there.
But the capacity?
Terad. Not certificates yet.
No. No, it's only about a month old.
This one has a 3,500 pounds, but the other one
45.
doesn't.
Okay.
The other one's 45.
Okay, let's go.
The other one's 4,500 pounds.
Watch it close up.
And listen to this motor. It's right over there.
Mm-hmm.
And
Right there. You hear it?
yeah,
You hear elevator buzz?
motor
Okay. And that's it.
stops.
Okay.
And
That's it. Thanks
That's
for
it.
watching. Thumbs up and subscribe.
thanks for
Here we
watching.
go.